Hello, look at the mighty beet. I will be cooking these later in the week to make a nice beet and sour cream salad with red onion. But what I'm doing is cooking beet greens today. So out of those 6 large beetroots, I saved the greens. And I'm going to cook them. Now usually people boil them for 2 minutes. I'm going to put them in a steamer. So there's a whole lot, it appears, but they do shrink down, just like spinach. So it should take only a few minutes. I like them steamed because then they don't get too soggy. Put the lid on and we'll wait a couple of minutes. While the beet greens are steaming, I put in this pan, a deep pan, some bacon fat and a little bit of olive oil. Bacon fat gives it a nice flavor, but if you don't eat meat, then you use olive oil or avocado oil. This has a nice flavor. So it's been about 3 minutes. And they're wiggly, but they're still firm. They're not over soggy, so I'm going to take them off and drain them. I dump them out on a tea towel, clean tea towel, and you want to dry them off as best as you can. Now the bacon fat has melted in the back burner in this pan. I'm going to put the beet greens in there. A little bit of sizzle. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. So I added some bacon bits. To the greens. A little more lemon juice. And you just want to cook it, but don't burn the garlic that you put in. Just fry it up really nice. Smells good. This makes an excellent side dish. You can leave out the bacon, of course. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Now the taste test. Oh my God, this is delicious. When you add the bacon and the lemon juice, it's not so bitter, but it is good for you. Bitter greens are good for your liver. They have minerals. So give it a try. And thank you for watching.